Okay, so I gotta work through this pile here of just kind of everything. This is all out of that storage locker. This is an 18 volt battery charger, Earthwise. I don't know what it was for, but we'll see what's in it. Plastic. Oh, I see. There's this plastic spike there. Plastic. So yeah, that's brass. So these are brass. Tiny bit of insulated copper wire, a tiny little piece of aluminum on that MOSFET, the tiny little board. Nothing exciting on the board, like so. Anyways, that's what's in the Earthwise 18 volt battery charger. Nothing. But at least it's keeping it out of the landfill, and it's it's all weight in the bucket. All right, next we've got this Remington model HC8017B clipper, beard clipper or something, hair clipper, some sort. And this is just me going through all the boring stuff, screws, prying stuff out. Not very exciting. Not exciting like, say, watching an e-waste mic live, Actually pretty strong springs. And that's just shred in there. That looks like bronze, maybe. This little bushing thing. No, it's magnetic. So that's shred. Oh wow. This is a magnet. I just went to throw it in the microwave and it stuck to the door. All right. Now this, that's kind of a neat motor, I think. Not neat enough to save, but pretty neat. I don't know how it works. So there's the coil wrapped around here, and then that other piece, the magnet, somehow this must just wiggle the thing back and forth. Well, that's pretty neat. And this is just me talking to my friend Johnny on the phone. I just decided not to leave the audio in. I don't recommend scrapping these unless you like gross things with people's old hair in it. Anyhow, not much to it. This is a Lorex something. Well, it's got a hard drive in it. So probably a satellite or so. Here we are. Lorex model LH030400. Input, output. Looks like it's made in made in China, but for a Maryland company. Lorex Corporation. Never heard of that. It says 4-channel Eco Black Box 3 DVR. Okay, so it's a DVR. Well, let's take her apart then. Steel. was the hard drive. Western Digital. 500 gigabyte. So I always wonder though what shows, if you can just, I've never tried, but I wonder if you can just plug this into a computer and watch whatever show is recorded on them. So I'll save that with my other hard drives and one day do something. Well, gold pins, that's about it. I guess there's this little, oh, that's a light. Or a sensor. It's probably the remote sensor. But yeah, I guess we'll save that for the gold pins. This, I don't know where my dogs went. Oh. Shred. A little bit of aluminum. Well, not a gold corner. I don't know if it's any good or not, but that's what we got. Just, I guess a peripheral board of some sort. I don't know if that's still... This stuff's all steel, not brass. At least it's got a bit of magnetism in. Okay, as I'm going through this stuff, I found this, it's aquarium equipment. I just don't know what it is. It says, for household use only, model T3 Energizer. And, yeah, made in China, but I don't know. I just figured I hadn't seen one. Let's see what it is. Oh, that just comes off. Oh. Okay, so that's completely sealed. So this must sit in the water. I guess. I don't know what the protocol is for scrapping this kind of stuff. It's got like that. Oh. Oh. How would you even know? Oh, that hurts the arm. Yeah, so this is... I don't even know. I guess I'll try smacking it. I'll have to take it outside, though. Give it a smack with the hammer. I'll be back. Well, it's got a electric motor kind of in it, but it's... I don't know what that would be for. Anyhow, that's I don't know what to do with that. With this though, I will just take the plug, copper wire, and yeah, I don't even know what that is for. I plugged it in, it didn't do anything, so I just assume it didn't work, but I guess it energizes something. Well, that's what's in it. Oh, I got a call today. Oh, wow, that is thick. Saying they had some sheets of aluminum. I just thought it was thin stuff. That's going to be hard to even pick up. It feels like it feels heavy enough to be steel, but it's not. Wow. I wanted to make a magnet for the yard with some aluminum. I chatted with NAS Atlas on a comments on a video or something, and he was talking about making a yard magnet just to like pull around the yard. And I've been waiting for some sheet aluminum, but that's pretty thick. That's got to be worth some money. Anyways, it's mine, so I'm getting it out of here. Man, this just gets cooler. It's the same thing. That's awesome. Yeah, I gotta figure out something to do with these. That's amazing. So this was obviously part of the display inside. So I just got home from work. It's Friday night. It's been a long, dirty, hot day. I checked the mail on Wednesday, and there was nothing, and then I checked the mail today, and there's something. Yeah. So, this was sent on the 30th of May. It is now like the 21st of June. So that's 3 weeks to get from Louisville to here. Anyhow, let's see what's inside this thing. Oh yeah, I already knew what it was. Pretty awesome. Those are nice looking. Yeah, weird how long it took to get here. Although, I don't know, maybe it's not. Maybe there's something going on. Maybe the heat. Who knows? But anyways, I got them, buddy. I've been checking every few days, and then finally they come in today. Hey, thanks, Adam. That's really cool. I'm going to make a sticker board. I don't have one yet, but I am going to make one day. For now, those are going to go with the other stickers. And when I have a spot that I'm not going to be moving or tearing apart, I just don't want to put stickers up and then, in the middle of renovations, realize I have to tear down the stickers. So when I have a spot for them, they will go up. Thanks, man. Everybody go check out Scrapping on the Fly 77. I'm pretty sure I'm putting the thing up across the screen right now. You can also get the link out of the description. And you can also check, maybe he's commenting, and then you could just click on his name and then go there from this video. I don't know. Maybe he won't. I have no clue.